Hello everyone, Samantha here. I pray all is well with you. In this video, I'm just introducing a mini series that I'm going to be doing, Bible journaling with me, keeping it simple. My intent is to gear this towards someone that doesn't want to use a lot of elements on their page, do not have a lot of things to use on their page, or just simply want to begin. Of course, anyone can do this from beginner to advanced. I can go along the spectrum of any of all three of those in Bible journaling, but there are times in my life where I have to keep it simple because of time and how much I can do, and I don't ever want to not do it because of time. And so I find that sometimes I get a lot of pleasure in keeping it simple. So again, anyone on any level can do this. Also too, I am not going to be in this mini series, I'm not going to be using big journal spreads. I'm going to be using my Bible journals that's like my journaling Bibles that's like this size margin. That's part of keeping it simple. When it's a lot of white space or a lot of space, it can be, a little bit more time consuming to fill up the whole page, And also, too, if you don't have this, you can use a composition notebook, traveler's notebook, whatever you want to use. But just know in this mini series, I'm not doing a big spread. It's keeping it simple. You can have some crayons, because maybe you don't have a lot of things, but maybe you can get your hands on some crayons. Right? Some very inexpensive markers. Hold on. Let me show you a pack that I got from the Dollar Tree. Hold on. Yes. Hold on. Okay, sorry about that. So, like I was saying, some crayons. Must be picking up the garbage. Some markers, washable markers. You can have some colored pencils, right? I will not be using paint in this series. Maybe on some other videos where I show, but not for this mini series. A stencil, some stencils. If you don't have a stencil, I might show how to make one. And I also have videos on making some DIY stencils, so I could put that down in the link. Of course, a pen, a pencil. I do not believe you need markers like a Sharpie marker. These washable markers are preferable. Also, too, some stickers from the Dollar Tree. You can get very simple stickers from the Dollar Tree. Or, you can even get fancy stickers from the Dollar Tree. That's not what I meant to say. I meant to say inexpensive. They're inexpensive, $1. I will not be using any other stickers besides Dollar Tree stickers in this mini series. Yeah. You see, this is something else too I got from the night. Because, Dollar Tree. Because Dollar Tree, they started moving up. I'm not going for it. They started moving up. Right? Yeah, like this. You see, that came from a Dollar Tree. It's really nice. I like this. The journey begins. Okay, and then also too, you can have some index cards. Yes, index cards. Or cardstock. Scissors. Right? Anything else? Yeah, you will probably need glue stick. Right? Glue stick. Or, regular glue dots, or, whatever glue you have is fine. If you have different color pens, like, this, different color pens, that will help too. Also, I suggest saving stuff like packaging. If you have some packaging from something, this is a piece of packaging. Oh yeah, also too, sometimes you see in these type of stickers, this type of I want to show you something. Sometimes in these packs of stickers from the Dollar Tree, you may find something like a piece of acetate. Okay, a piece of acetate. And let me show you what I mean by that. I do have a piece and I could show you. Let me pull this thing down right here. I just thought about this. Just thought about this. Okay, yeah, here it goes. think this is it. Hold on a second. A piece of acetate. Yes. This is it. Okay. So let me show you what I mean. Something like this. It's just pieces. Sometimes the stickers is on the back of it, right? Because this is a stencil that I made, and this is a piece of packaging. So I may show something with that. I learned this from someone, and I'll share that at the time. Even though I've made DIY stencils, I like the way this person actually made their stencils. Also, too, what would also be very, very helpful to have is something like this. You see how you have the plastic here? But if you can have a piece of the packaging to stay in it. Even if you don't have this kind of packaging because you haven't bought anything that has like this, a piece of plastic bag and a cardboard would even help. So if you don't have this, and maybe what I'll do too is in a mini series, when it's time to use this, I might just take a few minutes to show if a person doesn't have this, what they could use instead. Yeah, so for now, you know, these are the few items that we'll need for this mini series. See, very, very simple. And like I said, even if you don't have a stencil, we can, I have links for stencil that I've made some stencils. There's so many on YouTube you can find out. You can look up. But also, however, they may have certain tools like a stencil cutter or the stencil paper. So basically, I would want to show some ways to do it if you don't have a stencil cutter and you don't have stencil paper. But you may have paper and you may have a piece of box or something like that. And so far, yeah, this is it. So keeping it simple, it's very inexpensive. And yeah, now this is what I'm going to say, and I didn't say it at the beginning. I'm going to give, there's going to be a giveaway at the end for, and it's a giveaway, but it's almost like, I would say it's almost like a trade-off as well. If a person decides to do the journal with me and they can show the 5 videos, not the 5 videos, but the 5 pictures of something similar to like what I did. Like, not that we got to copycat each other, but you know, some people may try to show the old page, and I don't want like a old page, a page that was done before. It has to be with the items that, you know, I use in the keeping it simple Bible journaling with me videos, and on the same scripture, and you know, like that. There will be a giveaway. Now, I'm reluctant to share what the prize is, because what I don't want to happen is I don't want someone just to do it, just put anything together just to get some stuff. Like, because I know there's a lot of people out there that are very honest and they operate in integrity from their heart. But there's some people that, unfortunately, even though it's a Christian, my channel is a Christian channel. It's, you know, I'm a Christian, but there are people that will come on and they just want stuff, whatever, to resell or whatever they want to do, and they may just throw anything together, like their heart is not in it, just to get something. And that's not what I want to happen. I want someone that, you know, I want the giveaway to go to someone that really, like, you know, they were journaling from their heart, right? Like, you know, they really were into it and they enjoying the process with God and with me and whatever other people that participate. No, it's not like we're going to know everybody that's participating. Some people may do it and never show anything. You know, that's just, you know, everybody doesn't, you know, show their pictures or do videos or whatever. But they may just watch them to learn. I know there's a lot of times that I watch things to learn myself. Yeah, but, so it's a giveaway, but it's almost like a trade-off, because the pictures that the person show, I would like to put on my website along with my pictures. And even if people don't win, if they want to just have their Bible journaling pages on my website, that will be fine as well for this mini series. I think that will be a nice display. But then, like I said, if more than a few people, more than one person actually, if even more than not a few people, if more than one person decide to do the Bible journal with me, keep it simple, and want to enter into the giveaway, then of course I will do it as a raffle. Like spinning the wheel and going or using the random picker online. However, if the person, whoever doesn't win, if they still want their Bible journaling pages on my website, I will put it as well. So yeah, so that's it. So that's it for this video. I just wanted to really like introduce it. I'm hoping to do like the very first Bible journaling with me, keep it simple video. Oh, tonight. But it was something else that I forgot to share. It will be nice for you to have highlighters. It will be nice for you to have highlighters. Because I'm going to use that for something. And keeping it simple. All right, so I pray that somebody is watching this is encouraged to join along. I think this will be good if you've been thinking about Bible journaling, but then it may seem like you might seem a bit intimidated by it, because for some people, they see it and they're like, oh, I like that, I would like to try it, but they feel a bit intimidated for whatever reason, so anyway, they probably need somewhere to start, or they may have an idea, but sometimes it's in our head and we need some assistance to get it out. It's in our head and it's in our heart, but we just need a little bit of push to get it out. So I'm also hoping that that will help someone that might be in that situation, maybe be experiencing those emotions as well. So okay, so with that being said, I keep saying this is a page that was very simple. All these stickers that you see here, every single one of these stickers that you see here was from the Dollar Tree. It was from the Dollar Tree. Even the pens. It's nothing here that's expensive. All of these are these little owls from the Dollar Tree. After I watched the video, I'm not sure if I got the owls from the Dollar Tree, but still we will be using Dollar Tree stickers. These little speech bubbles, Dollar Tree stickers. This, Dollar Tree stickers. Yeah, Dollar Tree. Highlighter and pen. Even the border, I made the border. It's very simple. Very simple. It wasn't a lot of, look at it. Very, very simple. And of course, I use a Sharpie to write inside. We might need a Sharpie now that I think about it. We might. So yeah, so that's it. So with that being said, I want to say thanks for watching. God bless you. And remember, Jesus loves you. Bye-bye.